Got me feeling right. Back at it again with the white guns. Daniel. Back at it again with the white guns.
Yes, sir. Prepare ship for light speed. No. Light speed is too slow. Light speed too slow? Yes, we're gonna have to go right to ludicrous speed. Ludicrous speed? Sir, we've never gone that fast before. I don't know if the ship can take it. What's the matter, Colonel Sanders? Chicken? Prepare ship! Prepare ship for ludicrous speed.
Ludicrous speed.
The next video you're about to see will be the most intensest video of your whole life. Made completely by InspirAspir. I mean, I tried doing by myself with my own Launchpad, but I don't have proper editing skills or the program for it. Oh, and don't even dare leave without subscribing to InspirAspir for even more amazing light shows, music, and more by him, just like the ones you saw in this video. He is one heck of an amazing guy, and be sure not to miss out on even more. But ladies and gentlemen, strap your seatbelts, grab your popcorn, and get ready for the most intensest video ever. But right after this break,
oh boy, this doesn't look good. Let's see what he's done this time.
What you're about to see is not for the faint of heart. Brace yourselves as you're about to watch the greatest Launchpad video in history, because apparently more Launchpads equals better. So by that logic, oh boy, this is good. Just here we go. 3, 2, 1. You know what? I think I admit it now. I don't think there's a direct correlation between the number of launchpads in a video and the quality of said video. So I think we should limit ourselves to one launchpad for the rest of it. Just kidding!
Back at it again with the white guns. Daniel. Back at it again with the white dance. 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 Daniel. Back at it again with the white dance. Back at it again with the white dance. Back at it again with the white dance. Damn, Daniel.
Well, 7 hours later, and it's finally done. This was a waste of my Sunday and my life. I could have been like going out and planting a tree right now. Actually helping the environment, but no. This video is probably getting copyrighted within like 5 seconds. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Share with your friends, subscribe, and like for more. Also comment what I should do next. Adios.
Look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No. Look at the top of his head.